What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing Bee Swarm Simulator Christmas event. We're doing the last quest for Bee Bear. Right now we only need 8 more fireflies, and then we can complete the last Bee Bear quest. So we're going to summon the Night Bell, and we're going to get the fireflies for the last Christmas quest on Bee Bear. After this, we also have enough treats to get a star treat, which is one of the rarest items in the game. And it costs the most amount of items, I'm pretty sure. So far, we've gotten 1, 2 fireflies. Now we have 45 out of 50. Only need 4 more, guys. 3. 2 more. And then we can complete the final quest for Bee Bear. Oh, looks like a wild vicious bee just came in and started attacking. It's gonna be tricky to fight the vicious bees and get the fireflies. We did it! Now we can go complete the Bee Bear quest for Christmas event. It's crazy, guys. What's it gonna give us? A lot of talking from Bee Bear. Oh. That's a lot of things. 100 million honey, 5 gingerbread bears, 25 honeysuckles, 10 field dice, 5 whirligigs, and a star tree. Wow. Star tree, looks like we're gonna put it on Vicious Bee. Now we have a gifted Vicious Bee. Don't forget, we're also gonna be able to get a star tree. Pretty sure. I think we have enough for that.